Hello, my name is Lucky Rosenblum. I am going to teach you how to load a semi-automatic pistol. Now, it's going to be a short video. I don't want it a long video. It's going to be a short video so you can rewind it, watch it over and over and over again if you want. So let's have a little fun while we do this, okay? First, I'm going to load 5 rounds into my magazine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 rounds into my magazine. Notice, I'm gonna pick my weapon up. My finger is off the trigger. It's not on the trigger. My finger is never on that trigger when I'm loading my weapon. My finger is gonna be off the trigger next to the trigger guard. Or if you want, you can wrap your fingers around the handle of your weapon, but my finger's never on the trigger. After I load my 5 rounds into the magazine, I'm going to take the magazine and start it into the weapon. See, I'm starting it into the weapon. I'm going to slap it in there. Now, notice the barrel of my weapon. I'm not pointing the barrel toward another person in the house. I'm not pointing it toward another room where a person might be in the house. I'm going to always have my barrel pointed away from other people, not toward another room in the house where people may be sitting. My weapon is always going to be pointed away from other people. You got to be aware of what's beyond the barrel of that weapon, okay? Now, so once again, you've loaded your 5 rounds, okay? Finger off the trigger, barrel pointed away from people in the home. Start the magazine into the weapon, and when you start it in there, slap it in, all right? The next thing you're going to do, again, finger off the trigger, side of the weapon, or if you want, you can have it like this, okay? Then the next thing I'm going to do is pull this slide back. When I pull this slide back, it's going to eject the round, okay, into the injection port. It's going to eject the round right in there, so this gun is going to be ready to fire. When I pull this slide back, I'm going to pull it back and let it go. I'm not going to pull it back and hold it and kind of let it go forward. I'm going to pull it back and just let it go. That's what I did. I just pulled it back and let it go, okay? Now this weapon is ready to fire. Weapon is ready to fire. The moment you pull that slide back, you inject it around into the injection port, and now it's ready to fire. This weapon is ready to fire, okay? Now, here's the magic word. Whenever you hear the word clear, 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 that means I want you to clear your weapon on the gun range. So whenever you hear the word clear, the first thing you're going to do is take your magazine out. Now watch, my finger's not on the trigger. My finger's going to be on the side of the trigger guard, or if you want, wrap it around the butt of the weapon. I'm going to release the slide, because remember I said clear. So whenever you hear clear, that means you're going to take your magazine out. Clear, remember out. Clear, out. Clear, out. You take your magazine out. Okay? Release button will release the magazine. Take your magazine out. Now, this is where we have to be careful at home, because when you take your magazine out, remember you pulled your slide back and there's a bullet in that ejection port. So what you want to make sure to do to make sure your weapon is cleared, this time you want to pull your slide back 3 times, hold it and let it go. Now, when I pull the slide back, watch, a round is going to eject out of the ejection port, okay? So I'm going to pull it back 3 times. I'm going to move my hand so you can see it. 1, see that round jump out of there? 2, 3, to make sure there's not a round in that weapon. Sometimes at home you take your magazine out, you forget to clear your weapon, there's a round in there, you start cleaning your weapon, doing other things with it, and someone's going to get hurt, okay? So 3 times, 1, 2, 3. If there's a round in there, it's going to fall out, okay? So now, let's go through this whole thing a little faster. Watch what I do for safety, watch my finger, watch where my finger is, and watch where I'm always keeping this barrel of the weapon pointed, okay? So I'm gonna lay my weapon down, barrel's pointed away from people, okay? Take my rounds out of here. I'm gonna put my 5 rounds in. 1, 2, 3, 4, where's my 5th one? 5. Okay, I'm gonna pick my weapon up. Fingers on the side of the trigger guard, not on the trigger. Okay, fingers never on that trigger unless I'm shooting. Finger off the trigger. You may have it like this if you want a round of grip. Okay, I'm gonna take the magazine, again being aware of the barrel, pointed where it's pointed. I'm gonna take the magazine, start it into the weapon. I'm gonna release just a little bit so you can see my hands. You'll see where everything is at. Okay, start it in the magazine. Okay, slap it in there. Again, barrel pointed away from people. I got to get a round in the weapon ready to fire. So this time, remember, pull it back and let it go. Okay, I just pull it back and let it go. Okay, now this weapon is ready to fire. When you hear the word clear, clear, what's the first thing you do? Clear. Correct. You want to take the magazine out of the weapon by just pushing the slide release. The magazine comes out. Okay. Now remember, you're at home, so you want to make sure there's not a round in that weapon because you just ejected a round into the ejection port. Okay. So now you want to do what? Correct. Pull the slide back 3 times slowly and let it go. And if there's a round in there, okay, it's going to fly out. Watch. I'll move my hand so you can see. 1, 2, 3. You saw that round jump out of there, right? Okay. Now, check this out. Another thing you can do is take your magazine, take all the rounds out. Make sure all the rounds are out. The magazine is empty. Push all those rounds out of there. This is kind of cool. Notice, empty, empty. Can you see it? There's not a bullet in there, right? Now, this is kind of cool. I can take the magazine, empty magazine, place the empty magazine into the weapon. Okay, can you see that? Into the weapon, empty magazine. Now watch this. I'm gonna move my hands around so you can see. When I pull this slide back, now because there's an empty magazine in there, I'm gonna pull the slide back. Notice if I pull the slide back with an empty magazine, that slide is going to stay back. Okay, then I can take my magazine out. I can look in there, make sure there's not a round, because now I can see there's not a round in there. Okay, that's just a quick 7-minute, 45-second, almost 8-minute video on how to load your semi-automatic pistol. My name is Lucky, and let me see if I can turn this off. Okay, I think I can turn it off now, y'all. Okay, so before I do, I'm going to say so long. I'm just having fun.